you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good.
Glad to hear that.
Glad to hear.
That is my main reason. But it's a nice area.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Near the church, right?
Yeah, near the church.
This is church in this side of church or in front of church?
I have not much idea. It's on the. Let me see, okay?
Wait, I use my navigator.
This one.
Red Planet, Quiapo, yeah?
Yeah, it's on the 512 Cusan Boulevard. 512
Okay, wait. 512
Cusan Boulevard.
Quezon Boulevard.
Yeah.
Quezon Boulevard. 512 Quezon Boulevard. Which one?
I think.
I think Red Planet. Maybe Red Planet.
Yeah, red door.
Red doors. This one.
Yeah, red door. This one, sir. Absolutely correct.
Oh, I see.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. How long stay in Manila?
Manila, a few days, and we go to Palawan. Around 5 days. अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं पहुंच चुका हूं अपने होटल के पास। ये होटल मनीला में क्वेप्पो इलाका क्वेप्पो में बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे छोटे मुस्लिम रेस्टोरेंट, मुस्लिम स्ट्रीट फूड है। So yeah, my wife have some problem. Sometimes you know she has some problem here. So yeah, मैं कह रहा था मैं पहुंच चुका हूँ। ये मेरा होटल, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। रेड डोर होटल है। ये रेड डोर होटल बिल्कुल चर्च के पास है। पुराना चर्च है, बड़ा मशहूर क्वेप्पो का चर्च है। तो मैं रेड डोर में रुका हूँ। आप पूछेंगे मैं मनीला में क्वेप्पो में क्यों रुका हूँ? क्वेप्पो में इसलिए रुका हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हलाल छोटे छोटे वेंडर या हलाल स्ट्रीट मार्केट है। देयर अ लॉट ऑफ हलाल स्ट्रीट वेंडर, राइट? You saw on YouTube. A lot of halal street food, right? Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm craving for halal street food. I'm gonna throw my luggage, shower, pray, down to halal street food. Let's get inside.
Crazy.
Of course, I look crazy. I look crazy because I'm hungry. Hana? Hana? Hold this one. Red door. Yeah, this one. We are ready red road now. The hotel real name is like Good 101 Hotel. Again, they partner with Red Door. If you partner with Red Door, you get the Red Door branding here. So the real hotel name is Good 101 Hotel. Red Door is like a brand name partnership. Any hotel can apply, but you have to meet the standard and requirement for the Red Door. Is everything okay?
Yes, sir. Your booking is here.
Yes.
But you have no early check-in. Supposed to be we have an early check-in in our hotel.
So what time is the check-in time?
2 p.m.
Can we leave our luggage here? No?
Your luggage?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then we come back later, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, but I wanna pay now. Is that okay? Yeah, let me just pay now. Okay. Okay. 2 p.m. check-in, right? Thank you very much. Do you accept MasterCard? No. Cash. Okay, cash. No problem. 1 minute for this. So the check-in time is 2 p.m. Maybe we should have some, maybe lunch is nearly lunch time. What do you think? So we will leave our luggage here, okay? Don't need to bring the luggage. Thank you very much. Anna, give your luggage. Just give your luggage, okay? It's a nice area, Kyappo. I say like the area. I like the area vibe. It's quite nice. Yeah, I like it. And a halal restaurant nearby.
New restaurant.
Yeah.
Ano bang restaurant? Jollibee. We have a Jollibee.
Jollibee?
Chowking.
Okay, okay. No, thanks a lot. I will go there. It's okay? Okay, thank you. Let's go. Thank you very much. Let me ask someone. Assalamu alaikum. Halal restaurant. बोलिए जज़ाकल्लाह जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं होटल में चेक इन नहीं कर पाया। 2 o'clock चेक इन है और यहाँ पे 11:30 बजे हैं। तो मैं अभी कुछ खाऊंगा, यहाँ पे मुझे भूख बहुत लग रही है, तो मैं भी कुछ खाता हूँ, आपको दिखाता हूँ कि आपको एरिया।